Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Ukuthi la siyahola sikhola imali yabakhokhi bentela ukuthi senze show umsebenzi wabuyenzeka eWard 44 amanzi awekho niyazwa and mawuthi uyabheka izinto imali ziyaphuma ziyakhona funeka sonke sizoqamba manga la eParliament siprotect abantu abagangayo and honorable Mnguni funa ukucabanga into eyi1 uyabona we are not same asifani uyabona sicabanga mina ngaba ku strike ngiyayazi into engangilwela mhlambe ngomunye waku exile awulwazi usize salwelayo so ayikho into ebhlungu ukubona abantu bala eSouth Africa behlupheka ekubeni sasilwa sithi silwela bona musana ukwenza into enaniyenza ku president wenu uZuma nani business yona lento etenza ama mistake nimvuni nenza ama mistake nimvuni yini inkinga yenu anikwazi ukucabangela abantu nicabangela ukuthi kuphela akuvotwa kuze nithola amavoti abantu bayahlupheka abantu thina sihamba phansi kubantu.
Kunevideo engiyibonile la yasingicabangisa lenkulumo kaMamkhaliphi. Ngifisa nje sikhulume ngalezo zinto ngoba ngizofaka amavideo athanda ukuba maningana akhuluma nje ngezinto ezicishe ezifana nalezi show Mamkhaliphi. Ayikho into ebhlungu nje ukuthi ushode ngamanzi insuku amanzi engekho qeda lapho bazithulele nje nezikhulu siyazi ke ukuthi ukushoda kwamanzi kuletha ibhizinisi ngoba ngendlela okusetshenzwa ngayo uma amanzi engekho kuzofika laba ama watering can abanye bathi ama water can kuzofika lezo lawo ma truck lawo azoletha amanzi ebantwini siyazi ukuthi project leyo yabantu abathize abazuzayo so nakho futhi ukuhamba kwamanzi ayakwazi ukuthi amanipulate ukuze bezokwazi ukwenza umsebenzi ibhlungu lento ngoba affect impilo zabantu ngicela uzwe la.
Firstly, let's just say this is not about politics. This is about water, which is a human right. So we don't want to ask for water. We must just get the water. And if we don't get the water, all we want is proper communication. When Rand Water does not communicate with the residents and the businesses, they can't make any plans. So the reason for the non-communication can only be twofold. One is they don't know, which is of course a problem, or they're lying and keeping quiet about it. And that's a big problem. There are guest houses here, businesses, all people live in this community, the schools. To have no water for 9 days is not a problem, it's a crisis. And it's unacceptable. The councillors do their bit to try and get information for the greater community. No communication. When we do get communication, it's half broken and never the truth. And it's a big problem. Again, water is a human right for every resident in this area and all residents. You know, it's in the Bill of Rights. Thank you, sir. So it is a problem when there's just no communication and no sense of urgency. So let's just go through it. Businesses suffer already as it is in this country. Okay. So now to not have electricity and water. In fact, there was 2 days in this Bedford View area where we had load shedding and no water. So even those people that have JoJo tanks that have paid for it at a huge cost now don't have water because there's no electricity to pump the water into the homes. So for 2 days, I mean, this city could be the economical hub of Africa. To not have water and electricity for 2 days, it's just unacceptable, and we can't accept it. And I think as residents and as the greater population, we've become too used to it. So we accept it. We have to go to the streets as we're doing now, and all of us have to go to the politicians and to the governing party and say, guys, it's enough now. The Rand Water, they've got a mandate to provide water for all of the residents of South Africa, specifically in this area. I mean, we've got record rain numbers, but we have no waters. I mean, it's almost a joke. It's unacceptable, and I think that sums it up for me.
Ayikunzima lana umphakathi wase Bedford View. Indawo ke Bedford View isesilungwini nje ubona nje kungabelungu. Angikaze empilweni yami ngakucabanga ukuthi kuyofika usuku la khona abelungu bayophuma bagcwala umgwaqo bakhale ngeimfuno besazi ukuthi yithi sodwa. Kule ndawo ke kuphethe iDA. Kule ndawo nje yase Bedford View kuphethe iDA. Manje ke ibhlungu into enje eyenzeka ebantwini njengoba besho ukuthi banabo JoJo tank ngiyasola ukuthi banamanzi lawa aambiwe phansi manje abakwazi ngisho ukwaphampa ngoba abanagesi njengoba bengenamanzi nje abanagesi ukuthi baphampa amanzi ke babe namanzi oJoJo tank babo sebe useless ibhlungu lento eyenzakalayo ngizakhuluma nje ngenkinga yamanzi ngisho ukuthi ne-DA nayo ikhona la ehlulwe khona ihlulwa ku-maintain abelungu bakubo, ihlulwa kwenzela abalungu bakubo ukuthi bathole amanzi. Awuthi siqhubeke.
Well, every month for the last couple of months we lose water for a few days. This time it's day number 9. We had the mayor out at the reservoir yesterday and we got a few hours worth of water. This morning I noticed the pressure was dropping again. By 8 o'clock we had no water again. Guys, day number 9. All right. And if you have a look at the group here and the group around Bedford View, this isn't where the problem is. We've got frail people, we've got old people, people that can't carry 20 litres of water around or 5 litres of water around. Okay? Children, these kids, they need to now carry water around in our bathrooms because we know it happens regularly. We've always got 5 litres of water next to our toilets. Exactly, because we never know when we're going to have no water.
Ayibhlungu lento uma abantu behlala 9 days bengenamanzi. Awucabange nje makuthiwa kufuneka uye endlini yangasese kuzomiswa kanjani. Njengoba bethi bahlale beno 5 liter, uyini wona u5 liter? Hey kunzima. 9 days. Bathi fikile kimeya yenza lokho ama-politician akwenza kangcono. Ayikho into ayenza kangcono ama-politician njengokuthi afike enze ngathi ayazwelana nawe, enze ngathi ayalibona usizi lwakho, impela abazoyisukumela indaba uze wethembe bakukhohlise njengoba nabo bethi abuyile amanzi for isikhashana qeda anyamalala futhi ngoba ubeze lapha ezobakhohlisa. Ibhlungu ke lento asiqhubeke.
Jwale mona ke fere enageng post office mo kileng ha ba ho tletletletletle gore ke batla o shebe fela post office ya mona fere enageng mona ke mone re kopana le bo baby teng ha re tlile mona post office gore ke batla o shebe gore batla go shebe fela go shebe gore bona ke motshiara se bosiu gore sheba post office fere enageng gore njwetso re ke bophelo bo re bophelang bo re tla reng re a utlwisisa hore re a phela re a utlwisisa hore re na le baetapele mona naheng ya rona gore a ko mfe ngwaneso a gore a ke tsebe ha ke rate ha ke bua dintho be ka re mohlomong ke di-campaigner whoever is in power but gore ke batla re bue reality ya bophelo. This is a reality ya bophelo ke gore ke mo re phelang teng ka jele a ko shebe fela ho jwang gore a ke tsebe ke laboraro bekeng ke di 16 tsa kgwedi ya March gore sheba bona ho jwang bona. This is normal gore this is normal as a community. Are we saying this is normal? We voted and then we think this is normal. We are not saying anything as a community. We are also failing. Not only politicians, but we as a community are failing because we need to stand up. We need to do something about this thing. We can't live like this. We live in like pigs in a sty. This is wrong. It's so wrong.
Ngiyayithanda lento esho ubhuti la njengoba eveza le ndawo yaseFereenageng ukuthi njani manje. Ukhombisa indlela engcolile, indlela engcole ngayo. Uthi lento normal. Kodwa ngithanda into ayishoyo ukuthi yini enenza lento le. Abantu laba abawumphakathi abavumela ukuthi indawo zangakubo zibe nje. Nejobek inkinga nje ngokwayo iyefana nale Vereeniging ukuthi ngobona kahle umutshani kodwa nje kungcole ngokufana. Yiba abantu abavumela lesimo esinje ngoba noma kunje basazoqhubeka abantu bavotelele uhulumeni ongabasizi ngalutho. Noma yipi political party ephethe endaweni enje abantu abayivotele out bafake enye political party. Funeka ama political party azi ukuthi abantu laba you don't mess with them. If you deliver bazovotela omunye umuntu bakhiphe. Ama politician awangafile superior kunathi. Ngicela ukukhombisa enye video.
Yabona bafethu masinitshela ukuthi ANC imoshile. Sisuke singakhuluma into engekho. Suke sikhuluma into ekhona masinitshela ukuthi ANC imoshile. iANC saqhubeka nokudestroya. Bese wena uyagijima nywenywe vote ANC nywenywe vote ANC. Yabona la istrada la kusezone 12 la. ngifuna ukunibonisa lana manazi uAviva Manqa noThulani Manqa ifamily yaManqa yonke ekwi-government. Aviva Manqa, he was an advisor ye-minister uLindiwe Sisulu, waba yi-advisor yamanye ama-ministers. Ikasi lakhe-ke leli phambi kwegarage kwe-filling station ya-Armstrong, the late Armstrong. Ngifuna ukunibonisa istrata lesi, istrata sivalekile, no more sasebenzi. Istrata lesi, this is a road, ivalekile ayisaspani.
Yabona amathuba ukuthi lo mndeni obalawa kwaManqa ukuthi abasahlali kule ndawo maningi, ngoba vele ama-politicians anjalo ngene ePhalamende ahola 100,000 ngenyanga, avela asuke la kithi ayohlala esilungwini. Zonke lezi nkinga abantu abakhala ngazi nababhekana nazo abasazazi, iyona nje inkinga esinayo nama-politicians. So ngenza le video ngoba ngifuna ukuthi ngithi amandla kuwe, akuyeke ukuvota ngama-emotions, yekela ukulawulwa imizwa, yekela ukusebenzisa uthando, akurizine ucabange no yini esizoyizuza. Ngoba labantu bebe-in power sonke lesikhathi abakwenzanga ukuthi yekela futhi ukuthi hayi mina ngangivotela i-EFF ukuthi awukaze wayibona, ungathi uthi hayi i-EFF ngeke iphathi ingakaze wazi wayinika ithuba lokuphathi. Ngenza umzekelo ngayo, angisho ukuthi uvotela yona, noma i-MK noma i-UDM noma i-ATM, ngenzela ukwabala nalawa amanye ngoba uzosuke kuthiwa ngikhuluma nge-EFF. Kodwa ngizama ukuthi ake siyekeleni ukuvota, sisebenzise uthando nama-emotions. Asike sivote sisenze ingqondo yethu, ingqondo yethu uma siyovota isiphelezele, sikwazi ukurizina. Nansi into ebalulekile eyenza ukuthi osopolitiki bangasithathi serious thina. Ngicela uzwe la.
The ANC was pro-poor. It is no longer pro-poor. It's pro-middle class. That's why we have those huge salaries that are being paid to the middle class in the public sector. It's no longer pro-poor. That's why it can casually impose a huge cost on the poor. Because remember, who has taken the ANC from being a majority party to being a minority party? It's the poor who have abandoned it, who have stopped voting for it. So the ANC doesn't see the poor as its constituency anymore, because they feel the poor, especially the African and colored poor, they don't see them as their constituency because they are no longer voting for them.
Ubeka kahle kakhulu la ubaba uMbeki mayithi ANC yayibakhathalela abantu abahluphekile dala, hayi manje. ANC doesn't care. The only thing abayikhathalela iyodwa ukuthi babe seParliament bahola more than 1 million per year. Umuntu lapho bathola 100,000 ngenyanga, babe bathola ama-benefits, babe nama-medical aid. Yona into abayikhathalele. Nami nje uma ngathiwa ngijoin i-political party, into engingayilwela nje ukuyongena eParliament, ngizohola imali eningi, ngihlala endaweni la ngezuhlushwa khona i-load shedding, la ngeze ukuba khona nenkinga yamanzi, amanzi-ke mazohleze khona, bese ngenibukela phansi, ngenikhohlise njalo nje, ngibe namasu nje ukunikhohlisa njalo. Hayi, asiqhubeke.
Amabhulu ayisiba, kodwa amabhulu bakuthiwa kunebhajethi yendlela, ebeyenza indlela abe i-2% ukwenzela nikwe i-allocation yokugqibezela. Thina siba ingabi kwindlela nebhajethi iphele.
Le statement eshiwo baba uGwede Mantashe la ungasithatha engathi uyajoka, kanti into eyenzekayo. Yabona nje bethi angcono amabhunu ayetshontsha 2% ayakhe indlela ibe khona. Uthi la bona batshontsha imali iphele, indlela ingabi bikho, budget ingabi bikho, le ndlela abatshontsha ngayo. Cela uzwe la.
We must be concerned at the sight of a number of our people who are forced to cross raging rivers in drums because there are no bridges, or sick patients lying on the floors of hospitals because there are no beds. And this will become more evident as we have our discussions about the lack of proper infrastructure that improves the lives of our people. You spoke about the roads, but we must also speak about the bridges. We must speak about the lack of proper water facilities and improving those water resources and building the dams. Yes, it has taken quite a lot of time to execute a number of projects, and you speak particularly about the Umzimvubu Dam, which has taken almost 60 years. It was conceptualized during apartheid, and throughout the period we have been talking about it, but fortunately, the construction of part of the Umzimvubu Dam project in Ntabelanga Dam has now started, and we are hopeful that we will be able to continue in executing that project to fruition. Sometimes, as they say, it's better late than never, but of course, we don't want that lateness to be elongated to a point where people lose hope.
Yazi upresident unesibindi sokusho ukuthi it's better late than never. Ikhona ilate ekuthiwa 60 years. Okay, ngiyavuma la kwakhulunywa ngalo ngesikhathi samabhunu, isikhathi ka-apartheid isikhathi sa-apartheid kwakhulunywa ngalo 30 years. 30 years bephethe nabo bebengakaze baze balakhe. Hayi labantu bakhanga ngathi abazimisele ukusebenza. Yabona manje kuzovotwa for ama-local government elections ngonyaka ozayo. Njengoba sebeqala bekhuluma indaba zama-bridge nani kufuneka yakhiwe. Angithi u-2029 useduze. Ezinye zeindlela lezi abalutha ngazo abantu. Bengithi nje ngikulethele lama video. Ngicela ucaphuna ivideo yokugcina bese ngiyivala.
Ekunzima ifile lento sikuyo. And ngamaselonke apha. Sibizi corruption ngamaselodwa apha.
Bengithi nje angisherele le video ngizwe ukuphawula kwakho. Ngizwe ukuthi wena kuthini ukuphawula kwakho ngalezimo ezehlela abantu. Uma kukhona abantu abano 9 days bengenamanzi, ngoba into ehamba phambili kuba amanzi, noma ugesi bengenawo, kodwa into abayikhala kakhulu amanzi. Ngoba phela ugesi uyakwazi ukwenza isu, abanye banawo amasola, abanye kodwa amanzi ayisidingo. Njengoba bethi ayingxenye yama right ukuthi abantu babe nayo amanzi. Ngithi nje ngikulethele ngikukhombisa indlela eseyigebhukile nale ibona lana nje kwi-screen sakho uyabona nje ukuthi kwakumgwaqo wona ngesikhathi sawo, kodwa nje nemoto nje la sekufuneka igeke ihambe ngapha eceleni ngoba kusahambeki. Ngiyafisa ukuza ukuphawula kwakho kulolu daba esikhuluma ngalo. Ngizwe ukuthi wena uma kunje ubona kanjani. Ngiyafisa nje ukuzwa ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Ngiyazi ukuthi bakhona abantu abayithanda i-ANC, bayithanda ngenhliziyo zabo zonke, nabo ngiyafisa ukuzwa ukuphawula kwabo. Basho ukuthi uma kunje kuthiwani, mhlawumbe sizoblame i-ANC akuyona, abasichazele ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani. Ngoba phela bayavela makwenziwa ama-video la bebale konke abafuna ukukubala. Mina nawe sidibane kwi-video elandelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.